Good day, my people. You all are welcome. I want to talk about this Eze Ndigbo title of a thing. Every group is expected to stay as a single unit in every location they find themselves. The Igbos in China have an Igbo community there. The Igbos in UK have an Igbo community there. The Igbos in the US have an Igbo community there. All over the world, we have Igbo communities. The same way we Igbos have communities outside Igbo land in the location we find ourselves, is the same way other tribes have communities in Igbo land. In the same way, those tribes also have communities all around the world. For example, now we have Hausa community in Enugu. Every Hausa people in Enugu that came there to do business, to earn a living, they have a community, and that their community have a leader. They are not there as indigenes. They are not indigenes, but the community of a people that came to do business. We Igbos in China, we are not there all because now we get China land. No, we are there to do business, to earn a living, and for that we organized ourselves as a community. In every Igbo community outside Igbo land, the leader of that Igbo community is called Eze Ndigbo, which means King of the Igbos. That's why we have Eze Ndigbo na China, Eze Ndigbo na US, Eze Ndigbo na Brazil, Eze Ndigbo na Indonesia, Eze Ndigbo na Japan. There's our brother in Ghana who is called Eze Ndigbo na Ghana. So many people are saying that Eze Ndigbo na Ghana is trying to make Igbos indigenous there. He's trying to take Ghana people's land. They started propagating so many lies against him. The major people propagating these lies are Yoruba people. We have seen them so many times on TikTok telling Ghana people to chase Igbos out of their country, telling Ghana people to start destroying the shops and businesses of the Igbos, telling Ghana people to start killing the Igbos, to start hurting the Igbos. So the major people that are angry about this Eze Ndigbo of 18 is Yoruba people. So because of that, Ghana people became angry, saying that how come an Igbo man is now a king in their country? That Igbo man is just the king of Igbo communities there. He's the king of Igbos in Ghana. They said he bought our land. How many plot of land didn't buy where they cause all this problem? Say, hey, Igbo king in Ghana, he wants to take over Ghana. Take over which Ghana? That man is not trying to take over any Ghana. He's just the king of Igbos there. All over the places in the world, people buy land, build and invest. Nobody they buy land say you won't buy on a country, won't take over on a country. All those things are just propaganda. Look at this Punch newspaper here. It wrote, Yoruba community in Enugu gets traditional ruler. This thing is in year 2024. Under it, it wrote, the new Oba of Yoruba community in Enugu State, Alhaji Abdulaziz Adebayo. He is called Oba of Yoruba community in Enugu State. No Igbo man complained. There is no uproar. There is no crisis. No saga. Nothing. A Yoruba man. Yoruba people not see this one. No. Yoruba people have Oba of Yoruba people in Enugu. But the one where Igbos they do for Ghana, they pay them. I don't know what is the problem of these people. Some months ago, the Traditional Council of the Southeast held a meeting and they said that they don't want to hear Eze Ndigbo title outside Igbo land again, but that they should use the title of Onyendu Ndigbo. Onyendu also means a leader, a person that leads. They said that Onyendu Ndigbo title is the best. They banned that Eze Ndigbo title, saying that they, the traditional rulers in the Southeast, are the only ones that have the right to be addressed as kings, as Ezes. King is something that is indigenous. Kings like Obi of Onitsha, Ezeri of Aguleri, Obi of our kingdom in Ikaland, and so on. These are kings, traditional kings. divine kings, ancient kings in Igbo land. But say person just come out for UK, can't give himself the title Eze Ndigbo na UK. It does not make any sense. You can't be answering Eze. Who give you the title of that Eze? Who give you that Eze title? You are expected to identify as a leader, not a king. When you call someone Eze Ndigbo, it now looks as if that person is the king of the Igbos. No. If they wrong, check out. Igbos don't have one king that rules over them. No. If you use that word Eze Ndigbo, it just means say you be king of every Igbo speaking region worldwide. That is Eze Ndigbo. What we have is Eze Aguleri. He's the king of Aguleri. Obi of Onitsha. He's the king of Onitsha alone. Obi of Owa. He's the king of Owa kingdom alone. But when you call yourself Eze Ndigbo, that title just be like, now you be the king of all Igbos. And that title just be like, you they call yourself king above the kings in Igbo land. Now you can be the kings of our king for Igbo land. Our people should look at this title. Because this title, it be like insult. And an insult to me, an insult. The name Igbo comprises of all Igbo speaking community in Nigeria, Africa, and outside Africa. Igbo is not just a small people. Igbo is not just southeast people. Igbo is Igbo communities in the southeast, south, and middle belt. So when you call yourself Eze Ndigbo, you are automatically saying that you are the king of all Igbos in the southeast, south, and middle belt. You people will be thinking that Eze Ndigbo na UK is just king of Igbos in UK alone. No, that word Eze Ndigbo alone, only that word Eze Ndigbo is automatically saying that you are the king of every Igbo speaking people worldwide. Before Southeast traditional rulers go come and talk, say, may they change that title. They don't see this same thing where I see so. Before they talk, any title where they take for Igbo land, now your community, now that title today. Who crown you Eze Ndigbo? Person go just come and take title away pass am. Eze Ndigbo. Igbo enwe Eze. Anybody will be king for Igbo land, now the king for your own community. You can't be king over all Igbo people. When you say Eze Ndigbo na China, you are automatically saying that this person is the king of all Igbos in China. Not only in China, but both the Igbos in Africa here in Igbo land. That name, that title, no, it's too big for person to bear as title. So it's expected of our people that are doing Eze Ndigbo to change that name Eze Ndigbo to Onyendu Ndigbo na China, Onyendu Ndigbo na UK, Onyendu Ndigbo na US. They can still take the title of Onyenshi. Onyenshi means leader, the head. Onyenshi Ndigbo na UK, Onyenshi Ndigbo na Japan, Onyenshi Ndigbo na South Korea. That is better. If the person also take the title of Ochikoro Ndigbo na Japan, Ochikoro Ndigbo na UK, Ochikoro Ndigbo na US, it is better. Not Eze Ndigbo. Our kings for Igbo land na king for their own community, only their territory. You will be say traditionally, nobody mark you as a traditional king. You just come out, they call yourself Eze Ndigbo. It not make sense. There's nothing like Eze Ndigbo. Igbo enwe Eze. As our Southeast kings don't abolish them, I love it. All those Oba where they Igbo land where they call themselves Oba of Enugu, they go change that title. You can't be an Oba in Igbo land. Find one title for Yoruba. The answer, not Oba. Anything Oba of Yoruba in Oka, Oba of Yoruba in Delta, Oba of Yoruba in Enugu, they will change that title. Find another word for Yoruba and give them, not Oba. Igbo land is not a Yoruba territory. So the reason why we Igbos are expected to change that Eze Ndigbo title is because it's an insult to the Igbo race. It's also an insult to our kings in Igbo land. It's an insult to the traditional system in Igbo land. Onyendu Ochikoro Onyensi as a title is better than that word Eze Ndigbo title. It's too big for anybody in Igbo land to bear. There's nothing like Eze Ndigbo. Southeast Traditional Institution don't make their stand. So Eze Ndigbo should work towards this issue. Eze Ndigbo is the body that oversees the affairs of the Igbos, both home and abroad. So they gotta call all these people they answer Eze Ndigbo for Igbo communities outside the country to come together, make them decide on which name they will choose and drop that Eze Ndigbo title. The Southeast kings are not changing that name Eze Ndigbo because say all these Mumuya Reba people say why Igbos will they get king for another person. No, we are only changing it because it's against the law of Igbo land. It's against our traditional system. And other tribes, maybe other Hausa communities where they will change their own. We can only do it if our traditional institutions say anything king for una language, una no go use them for here. Use the word leader in your language to represent your people here, not king. You no go use king title to represent your people outside your territory. People go feel say you want to establish kingdom there. So it's better you use the word leader in your tribe than the word king. May Chuku bless the Igbo race. May Chuku bless every Igbo person that understands what I'm saying. Igbo bofu, Ishiegware.